With all the promising science around lion's mane mushrooms, from boosting the production of new brain cells to preventing Alzheimer's, more people than ever want to get their hands on this very special mushroom. But why spend a bunch of money on expensive supplements when you can just grow this at home? In this video, I'm going to show you a super simple way to make a substrate block so you can grow your very own lion's mane, even if you're brand new to mushroom cultivation. Lion's mane is what's known as a wood-loving mushroom, and more specifically, it thrives on hardwoods like oak or maple. Now, in the wild, you can usually find lion's mane growing on dead, fallen trees. But unless you have access to a bunch of recently dead hardwood trees, it's probably not the best option for you growing at home. Instead of searching far and wide for some dead trees, we can recreate that environment with hardwood pellets, the kind that you'd normally use in like a smoker or a pellet stove. These pellets are usually just compressed sawdust, so all we're going to do is add a little bit of water back to them, thus creating the perfect substrate for lion's mane to thrive. Quick disclaimer, just make sure you're using 100% hardwood pellets. We don't want any added oils or softwoods. In this case, I'm going to be using oak. So for starters, we're going to grab either a bucket or container of some sort, and we're going to add 12 cups of our hardwood pellets and 14 cups of water. We are also going to be adding in some wheat bran later. While it's not necessary, it does help give the lion's mane some additional nutrients. By the way, everything that I'm using in this video, from the pellets to the wheat bran to the impulse sealer, are all going to be linked in the description down below. So we'll start by mixing our pellets and our water together, and then we're going to let that soak for about 30 minutes. After soaking, it should look like this. Next, we're just going to kind of break any pellets apart, and we're going to test for what's called field capacity. Field capacity basically means the moisture level of your substrate. Too wet and we risk either contamination or rotting. Too dry and the mycelium won't have the moisture that they need to really grow. There is a bit of a range here though, it doesn't have to be exact, so don't stress out too much. To test, we're just gonna grab a handful of the substrate and squeeze it firmly. You wanna see a few drops of water come out, not none. If you squeeze it and nothing comes out, it's too dry. If you squeeze it and it's like a steady stream of water, it's too wet. Obviously, if it's too dry, we're gonna add some more water, and if it's too wet, we either need to remove some of the excess water or we need to add more pellets to help soak up that additional moisture. Once we get to a point where we're happy with our moisture level, we're gonna add our 16-ounce bag of wheat bran. Be sure to mix that up nice and thorough. Next, it's going to be time to scoop this mixture out into our grow bags and get ready for sterilization. Sterilizing is an important step. It's going to kill off anything that wants to compete with our mycelium. So once we scoop our bags to where we want, we're going to seal them with our impulse sealer and then load them into the pressure cooker. We're going to sterilize them for 90 minutes at 15 psi. After 90 minutes is up, we're gonna shut off the heat and let the bags cool naturally in the pressure cooker overnight. And in the morning, we'll have our spawn bags all ready for inoculation. After the sterilization process, your bag is going to be vacuum sealed, so we want to kind of pull the bag gently apart just so we have a good transfer of air. I'm going to be growing these lion's mane mushrooms over the next few weeks, and once I finish, I will share that video right up here. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and if not, then happy growing.